Hi, I'm Weebook. I like to share how to trade Bitcoin by my one-day delay trading YouTube live. To do margin trading, you have to get out of your fantasy. Because of the huge multiplier, if you value the number of Bitcoins, you may fall into an illusion of a bullish market and be liquidated by a bearish market or even a slight adjustment. Because he is greedy for the illusion that the number of Bitcoins has declined, catching more numbers and making huge losses. The important thing is the dollar, not the number of Bitcoins. In principle, think your wealth as dollar. I will demonstrate how you can increase your fortune through margin trading. I'll talk about both success and failure of the day's transaction through daily updates. In today's bearish market, I will show you two possible high success methods of reversal. First, trend trading. If it is judged that a deep reversal has been converted to an uptrending after a decline, enter with a very low rate long. Specifically, 0.5 to 1 times. Then, even if you enter at a high point after the reversal, the price will rise to the next resistance line. In today's case, since there is a high resistance to 23,200, I enter at 22,570. After confirm this moving is reversal, price will rise to 23,100 even if the price fluctuates below my entry point. Go back to the 1x shot at 23,100. Your fortune can increase by 3 to 6%. And I will say the second entry route. This is very important. This is because your wealth is likely to increase significantly on this entry route. It is the point of high risk and high return. In today's case, the close of the rod, such as 30 minutes and 1 hour, was formed at a point much higher than the low point. Specifically, the low is 21,800, but the close is 22,200. It showed a strong reversal through subsidiary indicators such as trading volume, and prices running to 23,100. Here, 21,800 become a very strong resistance line. And price must go down to this line. It is not known when price will go down. It can come down after the 23,200 resistance line or after 24K. Price can even go down right now. But what's important is that prices will rebound at this point. Therefore, the next entry point is 21,800. Historically, it has risen from these specific lows point, shaking from 1% above to 1% below. However, we can predict that a number of people who think the 22200 is at the bottom will throw Bitcoin below 22,200 and we will pick up at 21,800 and price probably will go up. Therefore, it is possible to trade margin at a very high rate at 21,800. Specifically, 3 to 6 times. This is because if 0.1% is broken then 21,800, you will have to suffer 3% to 6% of damage through stop loss. Here, if it rebounds, with a very strong rebound signal, we can aim for a gain at a very high point such as the next triangular pattern breakout or double top 24K. At 11 o'clock, at this point, it was confirmed that it was reversed at 22,200 and I convinced at 22,500, and I purchased Bitcoin at 22,570 with 0.6 times long. I will convert this transaction to 1x short for 23,100, and wait 6x the purchase right above the next 21,800, and set stop loss at 21,590. Very many cases, price was supported below 1% and climbed very high, but also, in very many cases, it fell further below 1% to the hell, so by setting stop loss, we will only suffer 7% of our total wealth. This 7% is similar to the price rising from 22,550 to 23,100, so even if this one total transaction fails, there is no big loss. But if the deal is successful, I will almost double my fortune. The important thing is losing very little of your fortune. Choose a point that goes very high, and always keep your dollar equivalent wealth through 1x short once the trade is over. That was today's deal.